XRP price analysis for July 15th. Our Telegram group, which we will share airdrops and pre-sales soon, has been established. For instant crypto money news, you can use the Telegram link in the description section. Use the MEXC stock market link to buy and sell with zero commission in spot transactions. A correction has arrived on the cryptocurrency market. However, there are some coins that are still rising. Top coins by CoinMarketCap. The rate of XRP has fallen by 8.6% over the last 24 hours. Image by TradingView. On the hourly chart, the rate of XRP is trading in the middle of the narrow channel. Volatility has declined, which means sharp moves are unlikely to happen soon. However, if the price drops to the 70-cent zone, the breakout may lead to a test of the 66-cent area tomorrow. Image by TradingView. On the bigger time frame, traders should pay attention to the interim support level at $0.6673. While the price is above that mark, sideways trading is the more likely scenario. But if bears seize the initiative, the fall below the aforementioned rate might be a prerequisite for a further downward move to the 65 cents area and below. Image by TradingView. On the weekly chart, the rate of XRP has broken all possible resistance levels. Currently, one should focus on the nearest support at $0.6570. If the candle closes above it, the rise may continue to 80 cents next week. XRP is trading at $0.7185 at press time. Ripple's XRP maintains optimistic outlook despite market downturn. Ripple's XRP has returned to its previous position as the fifth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, following an approximately 8% dip within the last 24 hours. The digital asset had enjoyed a 96% surge, following a partial legal victory against the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, climbing to 93 cents on July 13th. The rally, however, did not last long. The price of Ripple's native token dropped by 7.97% to 72 cents in the following 24 hours, bringing XRP market cap down to $37.9 billion and relegating it back to fifth place among top cryptocurrencies. XRP's legal battle ends with partial victory, spurring market sentiment after nearly 3 years of legal wrangling. The District Court for the Southern District of New York ruled that the offer and sale of XRP on crypto exchanges did not constitute the offer and sale of investment contracts. However, the judge added that the XRP sale to institutional buyers amounted to an investment contract. The positive news prompted a rise in several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, which reached yearly highs of over $31,800, and Ethereum, surpassing $2,000. Crypto market faces rough patch with nearly $180 million in liquidations. The last 24 hours saw a market-wide correction, with the global crypto market falling by 3.5%. Only 2 assets in the top 50, SHIB, Inu and Optimism, increased in value. Blockchain analytics firm Santiment noted that the market was experiencing a bit of a hangover, following the significant upturn the crypto market witnessed between June 12 and June 13. The overall market correction led to massive liquidations for crypto traders, with nearly $180 million liquidated from over 55,000 traders, according to data from CoinGlass. Long position traders, who had anticipated the upward momentum to persist for an extended period, accounted for most of the liquidations, losing $139.92 million. Bitcoin and Ethereum were the most affected, with the most significant liquidation involving an ETH position valued at $2.86 million on Binance. Read more. What are the odds XRP price hits new all-time highs after Ripple win against SEC? Meanwhile, the XRP market cap lost nearly $20 million during the reporting hours, causing significant losses to traders. The total value of Cardano, ADA, locked in DeFi spikes to new yearly high. The total value of assets locked, TVL, on the Cardano, ADA, network reached a one-year high of more than $200 million on July 14. This peak coincided with capital inflows as the asset's market cap approached $2 billion. Cardano's TVL spiked to $209 million, the highest point this year. However, as of this report, the value has slightly retraced to $192 million. Cardano TVL hits new yearly high. The number of ADA tokens locked in DeFi platforms is nearly 600 million. Indeed, it stands at a yearly high of 587 million at the time of writing. This milestone emphasizes the increasing decentralized finance, DeFi, activity on Cardano this year. As more traders engage with decentralized applications, dApps, built on the network, Cardano DeFi TVL surge. Source: DeFi Llama. The growing TVL is linked to a rise in the network's decentralized exchange, DEX, trading volume. Since the beginning of this year, Cardano has witnessed an increase in its transaction volume, reaching a peak of $274.81 million in June. Early data from July suggests this trend is holding steady, with a recording of $92.85 million as of July 15. ADA market cap rises by $2 billion. The market cap for Cardano's ADA has also seen significant growth, rising to nearly $13 billion on July 14. Between July 13 and 14, ADA received an inflow of $2.10 billion, elevating its market cap from $10.11 billion to $12.89 billion. Still, it suffered a correction to $11.70 billion. The rise in market cap correlates with a sharp increase in ADA's value over the same period. ADA peaked at 37 cents in the past week, reflecting a more than 16% gain. Nonetheless, over the past 24 hours, the value has slightly retracted to 33 cents, a decrease of 3.9%. Hoskinson celebrates verdict in XRP case. In other news, Cardano's founder, Charles Hoskinson, hailed the SEC vs. Ripple case verdict, applauding Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, and CTO, David Schwartz, via a tweet. Hoskinson also commended the XRP community on its victory, labeling it a significant stride for all cryptocurrencies. Well done XRP. One small step for XRP Nation, one giant leap for cryptocurrencies, said Hoskinson. Despite previous criticisms of the XRP community, Hoskinson appears to be mending bridges following the SEC's actions against the broader crypto industry. 4.1 trillion SHIB moved as price surges 7.24% among falling market. According to data shared by popular crypto tracking service Whale Alert, over the span of the last 24 hours, an anonymous whale transferred several trillion Shiba Inu meme coins. He has done that while the price of SHIB has been surging when the rest of the cryptocurrency market is sinking in red. 4.1 trillion SHIB on move. Whale Alert reported that an astounding 4,113,777,233,445 Shiba Inu coins were moved from one anonymous wallet to another roughly 22 hours ago. This was likely a redistribution of SHIB holdings by a whale, or a crypto exchange moved part of its Shiba Inu stash to a new wallet. Both things are done regularly in the crypto space. Earlier, U.Today noticed that nearly 5 billion Shiba Inu meme tokens were withdrawn from crypto exchanges in large chunks. Slightly more than 1 billion SHIB was deposited to the KuCoin exchange. SHIB bullish price action within the span of the past 24 hours. The second most popular meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has made a surge by 8.65%, jumping from $0.0000773 to the $0.0000840 level, where it is changing hands at the moment. The rise occurred after the partial victory of Ripple over the SEC in court made the price of XRP skyrocket to a peak of 100%. The Ripple-affiliated cryptos rally fueled the prices of the whole crypto market, Bitcoin and Ethereum first of all. SHIB was among the altcoins that also went up significantly. By now, XRP has lost over 16%, along with XLM, ADA and other top altcoins as traders have begun to liquidate their crypto positions to lock in profits. Unlike other digital currencies, Shiba Inu remains on the rise in the green zone. Here's what is still holding SHIB up. Another trigger for the SHIB price to remain in the green is that the other day the leader of the SHIB developer team, the pseudonymous Shytoshi Kusama, presented a rebranded website for Shiba Inu and its ecosystem. The site now features all major SHIB branded projects, including the SHIB Metaverse and the ShibaSwap DEX. It contains links to the websites of the official SHIB partners, such as the Italian fast food chain Wellies and the Bad Idea AI token. Also, the upcoming publication of the first chapter of the World Paper, a wide version of the White Paper, has been announced on the website. The Shiba Inu community is celebrating the launch of the new website. Kusama also demonstrated his positive attitude to the upcoming launch of the World Paper in a recent tweet, as reported by U.Today. Our Telegram group, which we will share airdrops and pre-sales soon, has been established. For instant crypto money news, you can use the Telegram link in the description section. Use the MEXC stock market link to buy and sell with zero commission in spot transactions.